Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat no connection error. If you're having connection issues with Snapchat, I'm going to show you how you can fix this in this video. Please watch it till the end. But if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to us for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So if you're having connection issues with Snapchat, the first and the obvious thing to do is first check if your connection is good. So if you're connected to a good stable connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, so you go to your settings, you go to Wi-Fi and network and see if you're connected to a good Wi-Fi, if network connection is good. If you're on cellular data, you try and see if your connection is good. So what you'll do is try load up another app to see if another site is loading, if Twitter is working for you, if TikTok's loading up. So if that's the case, you know that it's not an issue with the network connection, that your network connection is just fine. Then what you'll do as the next step is just try and update the app. So go to Play Store and check if you have any updates remaining to be done with Snapchat. So if sometimes in older versions, outdated versions of Snapchat, you find this problem are quite frequent, so try updating the app to the latest version, and this might just solve that issue. And if you've updated the app, now there's two things: your problem is gone, you can now easily load up Snapchat. But the other problem could be that your problem is still not solved. So if your problem is still not solved, you might consider thinking that it's a problem with the server of Snapchat, that the Snapchat server is down. And if this is happening to other people around you, if you see that the Snapchat server is down on Twitter and Reddit, you know that the Snapchat server is down. It's not a problem with your account or your app. All you can do at that point is just wait for the server to be back up, and then you'll be able to use Snapchat as normal. So that's how you fix this issue on Snapchat, guys. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you liked it. Comment down below if it worked for you. Please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.